Here at AC Connectors, we strive to make our products durable, easy to use, and most importantly safe. That is why we make sure to follow specific safety regulations when it comes to manufacturing our products. One of the most recent regulations is the Restriction of Hazardous Substances. This was enacted in July of 2019 and limits the amount of certain hazardous heavy metals in specific electronic devices. Some of the metals you may recognize are lead, cadmium, and mercury. This helps prevent those metals from making their way into landfills, thus being released into the environment. They are kept at a very small ppm, or parts per million. Another way to illustrate parts per million is 10 to the negative 6th power, or 0.0000001. So all in all, you can use our adapters and cords while maintaining peace of mind. If you have any other safety concerns about our products or electrical connections in general, please leave a comment down below. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thank you for watching.